So guys, if you come to the Binance P2P exchange, you're going to notice that USD is selling for 996 Naira per dollar. Now, I'm going to show you another platform that you are going to be buying the dollar for just 790 Naira, and then come platform that I'm going to show you and sell it for about 996 Naira. So make sure you follow my step-by-step procedures if you want to make profit for yourself. In my previous video, I actually did a live trading. I showed you how I made profit on the Arbitrage exchange. Now this video I'm going to show you how to use the Flutterwave swap exchange to make another profit. So this is how the Flutterwave swap platform looks. So what you're going to do is now you want to go to swap.flutterwave.com, and when it opens, it's going to take you to this screen, and what you want to do now is to click on personal here and then click on proceed. It is going to take you to this page where you choose to sign in with Google if you don't have an account. But because I have an account, I'm just going to sign in automatically because I've already signed up with them. So I'm going to click my account and then log into my account to show you the price of USD on this very platform. I'm just going to put my pin here and then log in. So after logging in, it's going to take us to this page, and this is how it actually looks. So if you've carried out any transaction on this platform, this is where your transaction is going to be. And if you want to check the current exchange rates right here, this is what you now click and then check the rates. So what you want to do now is to select here and then select the reasons why you want to swap. Now in my case, you can select anything, but in my case, I just want to select cash gift. So when you select that cash gift, the next thing you want to do now is to select what you want to get. So in our case, it is USD. So I'm just going to come here and click on USD and then select United States dollars, and then come here and select the amount I want to exchange, I want to swap. So in this video, we are going to be using $100 for this. So I'm just going to type $100 here. And when you type on $100, you're going to notice that it's going to give you the current rate. So USD is selling for 79,000 Naira here. Now, when we pull out our calculator, and then you're going to see that if we check based on the current rate, let me just say 990 times 100. So you're going to see that if we buy at the rate of 79,000 and sell at the rate of 99,000, we are going to be making some profit. So I'm going to say 99,000 minus 79,000. So you're going to see that we are going to be making a profit of about 20,000 Naira in this arbitrage. Once you've seen that, make sure you do your calculation very well before you carry out this. So once you've done that and see that it is profitable, the next thing you want to do is to come here and then click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to take you to the next stage where it's going to tell you to select the account that you want to send to. That's the recipient. Now I'm going to show you where you are going to get this account. This account is West Fargo Bank, and I'm going to show you how to get it. So if you want to get your West Fargo, what you want to do is to go to your app store and then download your Geegpay and then create an account with them. And when you are filling it, it's going to ask you to fill your address and then your routing number and then your bank information and every necessary thing you need. Register for Geegpay and then create an account for yourself. Once you've done that, then come back to the Flutterwave swap and then add your information, add everything you need, and then select it. Once you've added it and then confirm, you attach the proof of swapping and then click on continue. So when you click on continue, it's going to swap this feature, and then you go to your Geegpay. When you go to your Geegpay, you're going to receive it here. You're going to receive it here, and once you receive it, the next thing you want to do is to click on convert here. You convert to your Naira, and then from your Geegpay, you can see that the rate here that Geegpay is selling at the rate of 989. So it means that this arbitrage opportunity is going to be profitable. So you send from here to your bank account and you make some profit yourself. And you can do this over and over and again and make more profit for yourself without extra stress. So this is all about this arbitrage opportunity. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload some content like this, you're going to be notified. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.